wild.
All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. Ben here at Hochman Fabrication and Speed. As you know, we're working really hard at trying to bring you regular content and fresh content at that. I'm working desperately at trying to find a full-time person for the media role that would help us support this effort. But until then, I'm currently on my own and putting in a little extra hours to try and bring that to you guys. So the reason that you have me standing in front of the GT3 right now is because I want to talk to you a little bit more about that and bring you some content related to the first time that we brought this thing out last year. As you know, we purchased it late last year and are looking to get more into the road racing world. And we ended up taking this thing out to Autobahn to do what I would call a baseline, to get a feel for the car, have some fun with the team. And our friend Josh Jarvis, also known as Sir Yanko, be sure to check him out online, check out his YouTube channel, was kind enough to document that for us and share the content so that we could share it with you guys. So that's what I'm going to be doing. But as you can see, I've been making a couple of upgrades and changes to the car. We've got a GT2 style hood with functional NACA ducts, and then I've also purchased all the GT2 parts that are going to make them functional. So in addition to doing that and a roll cage and upgrading the exhaust and building a new exhaust system that we're going to be mass producing for you guys. So if you want to order it on our website, it'll be available soon here come spring. But in addition to that, I've added some carbon fiber accents because, as you know, I love making things look as good as they perform. That's what we're all about here. And so, yeah, I wanted to bring you guys that content and do a little bit of an intro because, as I mentioned before, it was put together by our friend Josh Jarvis and Sir Yanko. If you guys do want to support our channel, keep in mind that we do have a whole portfolio of merchandise, not only for just the brand itself, but also for Black Zenith Evo. So check out our website for more on that, and feel free to support the channel because any of those items that you purchase, the profits for that go directly into the racing budget. So without further ado, let's go ahead and bring you the video. Which made more sense. I mean, I understood that. I just didn't know what you're planning for. Because it's
When they start lining up, I'll go out there with my camera, but yeah, what's going on here? They're Don't go down there.
Yeah, no, they're coming up.
They're coming off?
Yep.
All right. Well, then let's go back. Yeah? Okay. You give a thumbs up. I don't know.
That is good.
Yeah?
Good solid 10-minute session for something this far.
Oh.
It's alright, we were getting past a little early. We made our first pass on somebody. Yeah, we passed whatever it was that
Picking something out of his eye. Spectators. Yeah, this is the spot. This is where people will normally like wipe out. All right, so this is the GPS thing? No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
That's the GPS. Ready for this?
Yes, sir.
Josh, you seem scared.
I am scared shitless, my friend.
You'll be fine.
I have kids at home. You have kids at home.
My kids are coming.
Oh, yeah.
They're gonna be here at like 1.
Okay. Huh? Yeah. Shit.
You're good. Trust me.
You have to be easy, Sammy, otherwise we won't finish. You have to be easy, Sammy. I'm telling you, you are not listening.
Shut up, man.
No, I'm just giving you advice, Sammy.
Fuck me. This guy can fucking drive. Right here. This dude.
Lane one, like left three.
Oh.
Didn't even see anybody except for him.
That dude's wild. Yeah, I got a few photos of this thing going down the track because you guys were kind of like front and back a lot of times. But by the time this thing disappeared, it reappeared. Like, that's how damn fast it was. Yeah, I'm ready, baby. Whenever you are. I figured this was better to put up because the wind in your face. There he is. Look at him. He's oh my god, dude. He's a maniac.